Sometimes things feel hard to do. I take a breath and try anew.
One small step, then one step more. I'm stronger than I was before.
Step by step, I try my best. I won't give up, I'll pass the test.
Slow or fast, I'm doing fine.
I grow and learn each step I climb.
If I slip or make mistakes,
that's how learning helps me grow.
I stand back up and try again. I believe in what I know.
Step by step, I try my best.
Every try
Is progress, yes. I can do hard things in time.
I grow and learn each step I climb. I don't have to rush today. Trying counts in every way.
With a smile and hope inside,
I keep going, side by side, step by step.
I'm brave and kind.
Dreams are growing in my mind.
I'll keep trying, I'll keep time.
Proud of every step I climb.
Hands up high, take a bow. Look how far I've come.